Let me guess. You've probably never cleaned your keyboard's keycaps, right? Well, now it's time. First, grab your keycaps puller. Hook the puller around the keycap and pull straight up. Now, do it for all the keys. Fill a bowl with warm water and a little bit of dish soap. Put your keycaps in it, and don't forget the duck. Let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Then take a sponge and clean each cap. Rinse them to remove all the soap and let them dry for at least 4 to 5 hours. And voila! A fresh and clean keyboard! No more excuse to keep your keycaps sticky because